Hi, this is Shritama. Welcome to my channel Shree's Beauty Wallet. Today I'm going to talk about pigmentation and tanning. I have some easy and quick solution for it. Please do watch the video till the end. This will have two parts, one with the products available in the market and the second one will be the home remedies. Our skin has cells called melanocytes which contain a pigment called melanin and which is responsible for our skin color. If there is increased amount of melanin in a particular area of our skin, that area will start to appear more darker than rest of our skin, and that is called hyperpigmentation. It's a very common problem faced by the Indians as we fall under type 3 to type 5 skin, which means we always tan and never burn. This has a good side as well as the bad side. The good side is that the melanin in our skin acts as a warrior, protecting us from harsh UV rays and preventing our skin from skin cancer and wrinkles. And however, the ugly part of it is that we easily get tanned and are prone to hyperpigmentation. Enough of GAN, now let's come to the solution. This is a complete detan treatment which you can do at home. If you are prone to hyperpigmentation and tanning, then you can do this once a week. Otherwise, twice a month is perfect. First, I'm going to use Raga Detan. This has kojic acid, honey and milk which are amazing for removing tan. The shelf life of this product is great, and guys, it is super economical. And as I have super sensitive skin, it has suited my skin really well, but I will also suggest you to do a patch test before using it. Let's start the application. Clean your face before applying this product. I am using my hand. You can use any brush, any flat brush or a packed brush. And no, in my house no one else is using this, so I don't mind using my hand. Avoid your eye area and leave this cream for at least 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes. The cream has done its job. Now I'm going to take some water in my hand and gently start rubbing my face to take out all the tanning on my face. So gently start rubbing it, gently. Now I'll take a clean tissue and try to wipe everything, whatever it is remaining in my face, and then I'll splash a lot of water. After removing the cream from your face, just pat dry with a clean towel. Next, I am using Face Shop aloe vera gel. I am using this. You can use any aloe vera gel available in the market. I will take a generous amount of this aloe vera gel and start layering on my face. Next step is Banjara's Multani Mitti Orange Face Pack. Guys, I don't think I need to explain it to you what Multani Mitti is to all of us. It is all our mom's favorite skincare remedy. It is very effective in treating your skin tan. It will give you an even skin tone. It contains orange peel. That is a great source of vitamin C which will help you to build collagen and elastin in your skin. Trust me guys, this is my holy grail and it is only retailing at ₹50. I have ordered it from Amazon and it is also available in any departmental store. Now let's get started. Try to keep the aloe vera gel on your face at least for 2 minutes and then I'll start making the pack. It comes in 5 pouches. I've already used 2. So let's start. Take 2 tablespoons of this pack. I'm going to mix this pack with this Dabur Gulabari Rose Premium Water. Try and make a smooth paste of it. You don't want your pack to be runny or light, just make it like a toothpaste. This smells heavenly. I will apply this pack with this brush and start applying it. If you have oily skin, keep this pack for 15 to 20 minutes, and if you have dry skin, keep your pack for 10 minutes. I have kept it for 10 minutes. I am using rose water which helps to maintain the pH balance of our skin. I am using Lotus Herbal Rose Water. You can use any rose water available in the market. My pack is off now and my face is completely detan as you can see. Now I am going to spritz some rose water. Next I will use Venusia cream for my night care regime. This has aloe vera and vitamin E which is very useful to our skin. This will probably something which your dermatologist might recommend you And guys, there are some products when my skin really suffers from severe condition, I fall back onto, and this is one of them. Now I'll use this cream evenly on my face and gently massage through it. Guys, after all this hard work, you don't want to get tanned again. So it is always better to protect your skin with sunscreen. I always believe in CHP, that is cleansing, hydrating and protecting, which my dermatologist has suggested. I am using this UV Screen Silicone Sunscreen Gel. I buy this from Bodycraft. You can buy this from any drugstore nearby you. On the second part of the video, I will explain you everything about sunscreen in details. What are the aspects you need to see before buying? What are the things you need to see? So do not forget to watch the next video, which will be coming soon. The details of the product used in this video will be in the description box. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates.